Good afternoon, children. We have to learn or we have to study about forms of business organization. What are the different forms of business organization that we have to think? Forms of business organization. What are the types of business organization? What is the meaning of business? I had told you yesterday. What is meant by business? Or what is the specialty of business? That I had told you yesterday. What is business? Buying and selling of goods and services are known as business. Buying and selling of goods and services are known by the name business. Now we are ready. What are the forms of business? What are the important or what are the major forms of business that we are studying? Forms of business. First one is sole trading concern. Sole trading and sole. Sole means sole means one single. Sole trading concerns. What is the meaning of sole trading concerns? We have to know. Sole trading concerns. Sole trading concern means single person. Single person is running the business. All the capital will be from his hand. All the capital will be from his hand. And he will spend the money. And such a type of business venture or such a type of business concerns are known by what name? Sole trading concerns. Sole. One person is running the business. Only one person is running the business. That is known as which one? Only one individual, only one person is running the business. That is known as sole trading concerns. Single person is running. There are no shareholders. No shareholders are there. There are no one or nobody to ask him about the business. What are the advantages that we have to think? What are the advantages of sole trading concern? No legal formalities. Behind this one, what is that? Behind sole trading concerns, there are no legal formalities. Because sole trading concerns are started by only one person. That person need not ask to anyone. That person need not ask to anyone. No legal formalities or no legal problems are there. No legal formalities or no legal problems are there. Without asking to anyone, the particular person can run the business. Then capital. What is the meaning of capital? I have told you. What is capital and what is the meaning of capital? I have told you. The basic money the basic money that can be used in any economic activity is known as capital. If a person is having capital, he can purchase a piece of land. Otherwise, what is that? Otherwise, he can start an industry. The basic money that is necessary, the basic money that is necessary to start or to run any economic activity is known as capital. The basic money to start or to run any economic activity is known as capital. That is the meaning of the word capital. Then what is that? In sole trading concerns, only one person is taking the capital. There are no shareholders. The money belongs to him only. Then profit and loss. If the business is profitable, the particular individual can take profit. If the business is profitable, the particular individual or particular person can take the profit. If it is profitable, he need not give the profit to other people. Then, if the business is loss, there is no need of sharing. The loss of business with the other people. That is a condition. Profit and loss can be suffered by the particular person only. Quick decision. What is that? The particular businessman who is running, the particular businessman who is running the business can take very, very quick decisions. The particular businessman who is running the business can take quick decisions. That means he need not ask the permission of other people. He need not ask the permission of other people. That is known as quick decisions. The particular person can take quick decisions. If it is a shareholding business, he must ask it to other people also. But in sole trading concerns, there is no need of asking to other people. That is a merit of sole trading concern. But demerits are also there. Demerits. What is that? False decisions may be there. There are so many demerits. What is that? There are so many demerits in sole trading concerns. The most important demerit of sole trading concern is that the particular person or particular individual sometimes may take wrong decisions or false decisions he may take. Wrong decisions because he is not asking to other people. There is one problem. Most important problem is false decisions or sudden decisions that the person may take. When the person is taking sudden decisions, what will be that? When the person is taking sudden decisions, what is that? When the person is taking sudden decisions, what will be that? It may be wrong. Then advice of other people are not taken. What is that? In sole trading concerns, in the case of sole trading concerns, what is that? In the case of sole trading concerns, the particular individual or the particular person is not at all taking advice from others. There is no question of advice from other people. So what is that? Advice may be false or advice may be wrong. That is another problem. So what I told you, forms of business organizations. Forms of business organization. Forms of business organization. First one is sole trading concerns. Sole trading concerns. What is the meaning of sole trading concerns that we have to think? Sole trading concerns. One person is starting the business. Only one person is starting the business, that is known as sole trading concerns. He is not taking any help or money from others. What are the major advantages of sole trading concerns that we have to think? What are the advantages? First one is, there is no need of taking any legal advice from others. Legal problems are not there. Without asking to other people, he can take decisions. Can own capital. In sole trading concern, the capital belongs to the particular single individual only. Profit and loss. If the business is profitable, he can take the profit. If the business is lost, he must suffer the loss. Profit he need not share with others, and loss he did not share with other people. Quick decisions. In the case of in the case of sole trading concerns. In the case of sole trading concerns, what is that? Quick decision can be taken. There is no need of asking to other people. Without asking to other people, quick decisions can be taken. Then another thing also is there. Another thing. Disadvantages are also, bad things are also there. What are the disadvantages that we have to think? What are the important or what are the major disadvantages of sole trading concerns? One is, what is that one? False decisions can be taken. False decisions or wrong decisions will be there. False decisions or wrong decisions will be there. What is the meaning? The person is not asking to anyone. Sometimes the decisions may be wrong. Second disadvantage means the particular person or the particular individual is not taking advice from other people. The particular person or the particular individual is not at all taking any advice from others. He is not taking any type of or any kind of advice from other people. When he is not taking any advice from other people, he may take wrong decisions. This is about sole trading concerns. Then partnership. Partnership firms. What is the meaning of partnership firms? We have learned. Partnership firms. More than one person is starting on business. That is known as partnership firms. They are known by the name partnership firms. So many members are joining together. So many people are joining together. And they are making one business. That is known as partnership firms. There are different type of partners. One is active partners. Active partners are there. There are different types of various types of partners are there. One is active partners. Active partners are those partners who are very active. They are making their own contribution to the business. Active partners. Active partners are making their own contribution to the business. If the business is profitable, they will take the profit. If the business is profitable, they will take the profit. If the business is not profitable, they will not take the profit. They will suffer the loss. Such partners are known as active partners. Active partners are active in the business. Active partners. Sleeping partners. Sleeping partners are those partners only for namesake. Those partners which are only for namesake is known as sleeping partners. They will not get any share of the profit. But if the business is loss, they should suffer the loss. Then nominal partners. Nominal partners are those partners. They are only for namesake. They will not participate in the administration of the company. But when the company is in loss, they should suffer. Minor partners are those partners. Minor partners are those partners who did not attain physical maturity. For example, a person is an active partner of a business. Imagine that. An individual or a person is an active part of a business. He dies in an accident. Imagine that he dies in an accident. His son, whose age is 15 years of age, can become the active partner in the place of his father. But he did not attain physical maturity. He can work only as a minor partner. What are the merits of partnership? What are the merits of partnership firms? Merits. What are the merits of partnership firms? Merits. What are the good sides of partnership firms? Merits. Partnership firms are that? As compared to other business, partnership firms can be formed very easily. Partnership firms. Partnership firms are very easy to form. 2-3 partners or rich people who are having money can join together and they can form one business. That is known as partnership firms. No need of asking to bank loan or other loans. 2-3 members who are having money can form their business. It is very easy to form. Then more capital. There is possibility of getting more capital also. What is the meaning? There is a possibility of getting more capital also. What is the meaning of this one? That we have to think. Chances of getting capital, there is a possibility of getting more capital also. More capital. That means, if it is a sole trading concern or if it is a single trading concern, what will be there? If it is a sole trading concern, one person must find out the money. One person must find out the money to start a business. One person must find out the money to start a business. Then what is that? In the case of which one? In the case of partnership firms, there is chance of more capital. There is chance of more capital. More people can join together. More people. More and more people can join together and they can take their own money. With that money they can start their own business. Then efficient. In the case of partnership firms, what is that? In the case of partnership firms, there is the usage of more brains. More brains are there. In the case of sole trading concerns, in the case of sole trading concerns, what is that? There is use of only one brain. In sole trading concerns, there is a presence of only one brain. Then what is that? In partnership firms, what is that? In partnership firms, more brains are there. More shareholders are there. All of them can use their brain. All people can use their brain. There is speciality of which one? Partnership firms. So, as compared to sole trading concerns, as compared to sole trading concerns, partnership firms are more efficient. They will work more efficiently than other business concerns. Then, sharing of loss. Sharing of loss. Sharing of loss. What is the meaning? Nashta. If the business is a loss, in the case of sole trading concern, what will happen? I have told you. In the case of sole trading concerns, if the business is loss, only one person can suffer the loss. But in the case of partnership firms, what is that? In the case of partnership firms, what will be that? If the business is lost, so many members will share the loss. So the burden of loss the burden of loss will not fall upon the head of one person. So many people are sharing the loss. One person, one individual or one person need not share the loss. Loss will be shared by all the people. One person need not share the loss. Loss will be shared by all the people. So, sharing of loss is there in partnership loss. In the case of sole trading concerns, sharing of loss is not there. If the business is profitable, he can take the business. If the business is a failure, he must suffer the loss. There is no one to share the profit and loss in the case of sole trading concerns. But in the case of business, partnership business, loss will be shared by all the people. So what is that? Forms of business concerns. Forms of business. What is that? First we studied about sole trading concerns. One business is undertaken or conducted by only one person. One business is conducted by or undertaken by one person. That is sole trade concerns. But partnership forms means, what is the meaning of partnership firms? That we have to think. What is mean by partnership firms? Or what is the meaning of partnership firms? That we have to think. What is that? Partnership firms are one image. So many people are joining together and they are sharing the money. With that money they are starting one business. With that money they are starting one business. That is known by the name partnership firms. Different type of partners are there. Active partners are those partners who are contributing a particular share of the business and they are sharing profit and loss. They are active in all the cases. They are really active in all the cases. They are known as active partners. Another one is known as sleeping partners. Sleeping partners are those people, they are only for namesake. They are not active. Simply for namesake they are partners. Nominal partners are those partners who have no share in the profit of the business. They will not have or they may not have any share in the profit of the business. They have no share in the profit of the business. They have no share in the profit of the business. They have no share in the profit of the business. They are nominal partners. Minor partners are those partners. They are minor physically. They did not attain physical maturity. They are minor people or they did not attain physical maturity. I told the example now. A person is an active partner of a business and he dies in an accident. He dies in an accident. He dies in an accident. And his son, who is having 15 years of age, can become a partner. but he did not attain physical maturity. He is only a minor partner. If he attains 18 years of age, in due course of time, he will become an active partner. What are the merits of partnership forms? What are the merits of partnership forms? First one is easy to form. In order to start a sole trading business, what is that? In order to start a sole trading business, one person must make money. But here, this is very easy to start. So many people are joining together and they are running one business. More capital is there, more capital. What is the meaning? More capital means so many people are joining together. So many people are joining together and they are sharing their capital. So many people are joining together and they are sharing their capital. So many are joining together and they are sharing their capital. So, more amount of capital will be there. More amount of capital will be there. Then, efficient. In the case of sole trading concern, what happened that I told you? In the case of sole trading concern, what is there I told you? The brain of only one person is working in sole trading concern. Or in the case of sole trading concern, the brain of only one person is working. He may make mistake. In majority of the cases, he may take false decisions. Here what is happening? The brain of more people are working at a time. Brain of more people are working at a time. The brain of more people are working at a time here. So what is that? It is more efficient. It is more efficient than any other business. If one person is committing a mistake, another person will rectify it or correct it. Loss. In the case of partnership firms, what is that? In the case of partnership firms, if there is a loss, what will be the loss will be shared by all people. Nobody must take all the responsibilities of the loss. These are the merits of partnership firms. Thank you, children.